I'm more than happy to share with you the 7 steps experts advised people with to make an extra $100,000 plus each year. Nothing is easy. People who make the big bucks are often intentional, strategic, and have a plan. 1. The fastest and easiest way to make more money is to get paid more doing what you are already doing. This is called trying to get a raise, bonus, or higher salary. 2. Build in-demanded skills. Invest in yourself. Skills are future currency. The more in-demand skills you have, the more money you will be able to make, the more control you will have over your income opportunities and the ability to diversify them. 3. Start side hustling and sell your expertise. Today and in the future, both creators and curators that add value will be able to build an audience and monetize it. This is why blogging is so great. You can share your expertise and monetize it. 4. Analyzing your circumstances to improve pricing. It's essential to learn to analyze your sales or business opportunity at a deeper level. I really learned how to analyze people while playing poker in college. What does the customer really want? 5. Launch your own company. There are many advantages to launching your own company and managing your life like a company. You can take tax deductions for business expenses, you get certain legal protections, and you can use a small business privileges. 6. Reach more people with your product or message. Today, you can target almost anyone on earth with a message personalized for them through digital marketing on the platforms that they use every day. 7. Build a network and an audience. If you really want to build a business or make more money, you need to build a network and an audience. A network is a group of connections that takes time to build and is essential to unlocking opportunities throughout your lifetime, but an audience is a lot more valuable. It doesn't happen overnight, but there are steps you can take to significantly increase your chances of making a lot more money.